Morning light bathes the kitchen, creating a warm glow. As a daughter in her late 20s is engrossed in her phone, a worried crease forms between the daughter's brows, a stark contrast to the serene kitchen. Her mother, with kind eyes and a gentle smile, rhythmically chops tomatoes, her movements practiced and calm. The daughter looks up from her phone, her brow furrowed with concern, a hint of desperation in her voice.
Mom, I'm so confused. One article says tomato seeds cause allergies, another says kidney stones, and now digestion problems? Should we stop using them?
The mother pauses her chopping, her knife resting on the cutting board, her gaze warm and reassuring, a gentle smile forming on her lips. In the kitchen, the mother's eyes hold a soft, knowing warmth as she gazes at her daughter. Her hands gently rest on the countertop, a subtle gesture inviting a deeper connection.
The food itself hasn't changed, my dear. It's the information around it that's shifted.
In the kitchen, the daughter, sensing a moment for truth, moves closer to the counter, her phone forgotten. Her eyes are fixed on her mother, a silent plea for a definitive answer etched in her gaze.
Are tomato seeds harmful?
In the kitchen's soft glow, the mother cradles a ripe red tomato, her gaze direct and reassuring. Her hands gently rotate the fruit, preparing to unveil a truth hidden within its simple form.
For most people, tomato seeds are completely safe.
In the kitchen, the daughter's brow furrows as she grapples with new information.
What about allergies? I've heard some people are allergic to tomato seeds.
Allergies to tomato seeds are actually quite rare. If someone has a tomato allergy, it's usually to the whole tomato, not just the seeds. So that's another one of those online myths.
But what about kidney stones? The mother, calm and reassuring, gently gestures with her hand as she explains the science behind it.
That's only a concern for people with pre-existing conditions who consume excessive amounts regularly. Normal use is perfectly safe.
In the kitchen, Mother nods thoughtfully, her expression deep in contemplation, as the conversation turns to digestion. She acknowledges the delicate nature of sensitive stomachs, a flicker of understanding in her eyes.
A balanced perspective emerges as I admit removing seeds could offer relief.
Why is everyone so scared all the time?
The mother, busy at the counter, turns with a gentle, knowing smile, anticipating the unasked query.
Because half knowledge spreads faster than truth, my dear.
The mother, with renewed energy, shifts from debunking myths to practical application, her voice now vibrant and encouraging.
It's time to move past worries, her hand sweeping towards the chopping board with purpose.
Her gesture invites a new lesson, how to use tomatoes smartly, a promise of culinary wisdom in her eyes. In the kitchen, the mother moves with practiced efficiency, transforming oil, garlic, chili, and 2 chopped tomatoes into a vibrant chutney.
As the blender whirs, science and my experience says, the seeds, they're essential. They bring so much flavor, so many nutrients, perfect for this chutney.
Tangy and fresh. This is delicious, Mom.
In the kitchen, the mother moves with a blur of efficiency, her hands a whirlwind of motion as she starts making tomato egg bhurji.
Onions sizzle. Then chopped tomatoes join them, followed by eggs, salt, and masala. The seeds make it juicy. Don't remove them here.
Wow, that's so quick.
The mother meticulously removes seeds from tomatoes, her hands moving with practiced grace, demonstrating a thick tomato sauce.
First seasons the simmering pulp with salt and herbs, then removing the seeds gives us a thicker, richer texture.
It depends on the dish.
In the kitchen, the daughter's face softens, a beautiful smile, replacing the tension, her whole body relaxing. A newfound clarity shines in her eyes. The previous cloud of worry completely gone. She turns to her mother, her gaze filled with profound understanding. A silent connection forged. The mother's eyes, warm with a knowing gaze, hold a silent approval. A gentle smile graces her lips, a profound understanding shimmering within her.
Daughter, I am imparting a timeless wisdom. Listen very carefully. Don't fear food. Understand it.
The kitchen's warm glow fades as sunlight streams through the window, illuminating dancing dust motes. The inviting space stands as a silent testament to lessons learned and shared, a symbol of knowledge.
Tomato seeds are safe for most. There's no need to remove them out of fear, only for texture.